my name is Osumareton Egbe from Nigeria. Welcome to Fighters for Education, where we highlight various issues in education and talk about how young people like you and I can be part of the solution. Around the world, 129 million girls are out of school, but this is more than just figures. In this episode, we'll highlight the real-life stories of some girls and their journey to education.
Hi, it's Viktoria from Ukraine here. So, our first story is about Margaret from Nigeria. She said, "Education was not a right I was denied from the beginning of my life, and that is why I would like to consider myself as one of the luckiest one. However, sometimes people make me feel I couldn't have access to the same opportunities as other students just because I was a girl. I was one of the finest debaters in my secondary school. In WSI, I participated in an essay competition, and it ended up as a tie between me and an older boy from another school for the first position. I was a big deal to me because the winner was supposed to win a laptop, and I knew I deserved it because I gave it my best. At the end of the competition, they announced both of us as the winners and promised that we would both get our prizes. After several months, I was later called by the organizers and I was given a tablet instead of laptop. One of the organizers was kind enough to inform me that the other organizers decided to give me a laptop to the boy instead. It was a really painful experience for me. Even though it appears as there is enough awareness concerning the topic of girls' access to education and opportunities, there are still certain regions of my country that are yet to see the sense in education girls. We must continue to raise awareness about gender equality and girls' access to education using ways that people in these particular regions will understand. From Ukraine told us that things. I wish more girls could have access to STEM education. STEM education is a system that prepares children for modern challenges. There is nothing impossible in chemistry. I'm proud to be a chemist because a chemist is one who truly understands the world." Sophia, Ukrainian girl, said, "As a chemist, you are the first to know things the world doesn't know. The main goal should be to promote science among female school students so that more girls can be scientists." That's all the stories we have on this episode. Back to you, Truth.
We dream of a world where all girls have access to quality education. Speaking of quality education, do you feel that you are being adequately prepared by your school to thrive in your chosen career? Let's talk about that on the next episode of Fighters for Education. See you then!